Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. This is assignment 10 of 10th class. The topic is editing the passages. Editing the passages, you know very well. Passages are given. From each passage, 4 or 5 words are underlined. The words which contain errors. So we have to correct those errors. Now, edit the passage correcting the underlined parts. See first one, first passage. Once a fox is it is underlined, children. So error is there, mistake is there in that word. You have to correct it. Once a fox. Once means the story narrates past event. So we should write past verb. But here is given. So A, correct answer is was, not is, was. Once a fox was feeling, so is underlined. Means mistake is there. Error. It contains error. Feeling so hungry, not so hungry. The answer is very hungry. He roared here and there in search. Third one, children, see. Fur, the word fur is underlined. So mistake is there in that. Then what is correct answer? In search of, not fur, of food, but could not find nothing. So nothing is underlined. Fourth word, nothing is underlined. Children, see here. Could not, nothing. When we use nothing here after could not, after not, it becomes a double negative. So here we should replace this nothing by the word could not find anything. Could not find anything to eat. Now let us see next one. Second passage. The world is home to over 9 billions inhabitant. See here, inhabitant. So this is underlined. Over 9 billions plural. So it must be in plural form. Inhabitants. Now let us see second one. B. China and India is. See here, is underlined. China and India, plural. 2 countries are there. So here we have to write are, not is, are. India and China. China and India are home to, under, the word under is underlined. So error, it contains error. We have to replace that under by the word over. Home to over 2 billion people and their countries are already experienced. So it is underlined. Countries are already, the tense must be present continuous tense. So are is there, are already. We have to write experiencing, verb in form, are already experiencing. Okay, children, now let's go to next one. Third passage. One day, as usual, she brought a smallest. See, a is underlined. But what is the word here? Smallest. Superlative degree adjective is there. So here we have to write not a. In the place of a, we have to write the smallest loaf. Then the word then is underlined. She cut it. So then it contains an error. Then what should we write? When. Then children, coordinating conjunction. When, subordinating conjunction. When she cut it, she found 2 rupee. 2 plural form, but rupee is given. So we have to write plural form of this one. 2 rupees in it. Rupees, not rupee, rupees. She went back at once. See, O-N-E-S. In the place of O-N-E-S, we have to write ONCE, at once to return the money. Now, let us see last passage. Last Sunday, I saw a accident. It began with vowel, a vowel, and it gives vowel sound. Here we should write an, not a, an accident. Second one, B. It had still fresh in my mind. It had still in my mind. Still it exists in the mind. So in the place of had, we have to write is. It is still fresh in my mind. A child was trying to crossing 2 plus infinitive. When 2 plus infinitive is used, we have to use cross, not crossing, cross, to cross the road. A car came across, so across is underlined, children. So last word, across is underlined. See, imagine this is road. When we move on like this, so this is along. When we move on, so like this, it is across. Your accident took place when the driver came in a wrong direction, along, not across, along. So in the place of across, we have to write along the opposite direction. I hope you got this, children. Thank you. All the best.